Let's make the Squiggle truffle out of this box of chocolate sugar cookies. We're going to start by outlining the cookie with just one of our chocolates. This set uses a dark chocolate and a milk chocolate, and you alternate colors for each cookie. But if you wanted to make a whole milk chocolate set, you totally could. We just flavor the royal icing with cocoa powder to get our color, but also our cocoa flavor. So that's the difference between the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate. It's just the amount of cocoa powder used. This icing's going to, for the milk chocolate, be weirdly thin while also weirdly thick. So have some patience with yourself. Expect for there to be some flow over, because there will be, and go slow. But this set is also incredibly simple because all you're going to be doing is just filling in your cookie. For this squiggle truffle, we're going to give it a little bit of rest time, maybe like 5 minutes, and then come back and do our squiggle. But right now we're just evening out our icing. So you're seeing me use a scribe to kind of spread the icing out, make sure it's going everywhere it needs to, and I'm noticing it's about to overflow. So I'm kind of shoving it back to the center, and then I'm like, let's shake it. That'll totally help it not overflow. That's not what I'm thinking at all. But I just want to have this even amount. A lot of times when you decorate cookies, you think, I don't want that much sugar on top. Believe me, you do. You do. That's how you get this nice flat top. And unfortunately, that's also how I got it to boil over. Well, flow over, but boil over sounds better, right? So I'm just taking my scribe and going around the edge of my cookie. Perk of having round cookies, very easy to scrape the side. Wiping off the excess icing on my scribe on a paper towel, and then I'm gonna come back. I kind of just keep doing this until I see it not overflowing anymore. And it can be helpful to kind of just leave your cookie where it's at for a while so that you're not like adding a little bit more momentum to the icing overflowing. But if the icing overflows, so what? It's a cookie. So this dried for a teensy little bit. You can still see it's still shiny on top. And I'm just going to come in with my milk chocolate, same color, same icing we used before, and do a squiggle. And I go back a little bit so I don't have any of the icing sticking up. And there is the squiggle truffle cookie in milk chocolate. Make both colors and you're good to go.